You know, with the worn out brakes on this thing and big power coming, it's a perfect opportunity to upgrade the brakes.
Right.
So PowerStop, man, you guys know, we use these guys on just about everything. It's such an affordable way to get that increase in performance.
Yeah, it truly is an upgrade. This is a Z26 Street Warrior kit. This has everything you need. So let's start with the rotors, right? You guys have seen 100 rotors, right? But here you go. Drilled, slotted, protected as far as corrosion, got zinc plating. So all those rotors you see that have all that rust and stuff on the cap, you're not gonna see that with this.
Yeah, let's talk about the bite. So it's all about the magic in the pads. These are carbon fiber ceramic. They got a higher coefficient of friction than the OE, so they're gonna bite. They're gonna give you better stopping power. They got carbon fiber for the structure, but ceramic, which is great, kind of binding everything together, it doesn't dust up like a semi-metallic, right? So whenever you have a nice car like this, you get all that stopping power, but you don't get all the dusting every time you go drive. Yeah, we're all familiar with the shims on pads. They actually help kind of transfer some of that vibration into a frequency we don't hear. These also have a mass damper on there as well, so super quiet performance as you're really cranking on those brakes.
Something that a lot of people don't realize, break-in is key to that shudder and that sort of feeling you get in the brakes nowadays.
Yeah, and to get the right proper performance, so you're actually gonna transfer some pad material onto the rotor, so it's kind of a pad on pad almost for a lot of that braking performance. So definitely want to make sure you do a good break-in. These guys help actually put a little bit of pre-break-in for you to make it faster and easier.
Yeah, it's called thermal scorch. That allows that break-in to happen a lot quicker. Something else that we like to do, right? Every time we do brakes, it's a good opportunity to, upgrade your windshield wipers as well.
Yeah, these are the PowerClear. It's awesome because a lot of times you're having to look up your vehicle and I got this size, and I got this size. Just, man, when you're ordering brakes, typically you get a pop-up for wipers specific for your vehicle, whatever sizes, boom, put them in the cart.
Smart, hit that checkout and roll with it, man.
Yeah. All right, let's get this thing on and upgrade it and we'll keep on moving. All right, easy work and easy upgrade for just about any vehicle.